Okay, so even after more trial and error installing the carbon Miata seatbelt extenders, I found that the proper setup for it to bolt down and not damage the trim, and you can torque it down properly, is the bolt, plastic washer, the seatbelt itself, the smaller of the two aluminum spacers provided by Carbon Miata, the seatbelt extender, the larger of the two spacers provided by Carbon Miata, the thinnest spacer that comes previously installed, the big spacer, and then that falls right into place, and then you can bolt it down. So now the only issue is that when installing the hardtop, you'll need to move this over, install the hardtop, and then move this back. But it looks like the clip for the hardtop will hit. So I'll make another video of how that is once I get the hardtop installed. But that's Carbon Miata seatbelt extender on an NB.